One. Good evening, everyone, and Happy New Year to all of you. And I can't think of a better way to usher in 2026 than to be amongst family and friends and to inaugurate the man who will bring about a new era of progress, promise, and prosperity for New York City. Zoraan, I am so proud of what you have accomplished, and I'm filled with joy about what we will accomplish for our beloved city over the coming years. And so with that, let us begin. Please repeat after me and raise your right hand. I, Zoraan Kwame Mamdaniin,
Zoraan Kwame Mamdaniin,
do solemnly swear
that
I will support the Constitution of the United States,
I will support the Constitution of the United States,
the Constitution of the State of New York,
the Constitution of the State of New York,
and the Charter of the City of New York,
and the Charter of the City of New York,
and that I will faithfully discharge
and that I will faithfully discharge
the duties of the office of the Mayor of the City of New York
the Mayor of the City of New York,
according to the best of my ability.
according to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. Mayor.
Mr. Mayor, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Very happy to be here. Okay.
It's such a pleasure to have you.
Please sign your name.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. And may I now ask for your $9 final?
You may
fee?
ask for my $9. There we go. This should be exact change.
Excellent, Mr. Mayor. Thank you very much. And the last thing, would you please sign the book?
Absolutely.
Thank you, Ali.
Thank you, Mr. Najmi.
Thank you, Mayor. Okay, so you're going to sign the first line here. You're going to put today's date, your signature.
Okay. Print or sign right
Oh, could you do both?
here? Okay.
Thank you.
This is
City
Gracie?
Hall?
City Hall?
Hall?
Okay.
Okay.
Do I leave that for you?
We'll leave that for me.
Okay.
Okay, it is now official.
Thank you.
Mr. Mayor, congratulations.
Thank you so much. It's the honor of a lifetime. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much for everyone for being here. Happy New Year to New Yorkers, both inside this tunnel and above. And I cannot wait to see everyone tomorrow as we begin our term. This is truly the honor and the privilege of a lifetime. And after just having taken my oath to become the mayor of the city of New York, I do so also here in the old City Hall subway station, a testament to the importance of public transit, to the vitality, the health, and the legacy of our city. And I can think of no better moment to announce our new Department of Transportation Commissioner than this. So I would ask Mike Flynn if you would please join me. It is an honor to have Mike here alongside me as we embark on an administration that will take seriously the responsibility and the opportunity we have to make this streetscape and the public transit of the city we call home the envy of the world. And it will require someone who's experienced, who is fluent in the landscape as it is, and who is ambitious and imaginative towards the landscape as it could be. And I can think of no better person than the man alongside me. And I'm so proud to have him joining our administration as the next head of our DOT. Please. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mayor. Congratulations. It's especially meaningful to be here tonight in this incredible station. I can't help but think back to the childhood me who was endlessly fascinated by the city's subways, bridges, tunnels, and other infrastructure. But that's only one of the many reasons that I'm thrilled to be joining Mayor Mamdaniin and the team, who fundamentally understand the role that transportation plays in the day-to-day lives of New Yorkers. And I know firsthand that New York City DOT has some of the most passionate, talented, and committed public servants in the country, if not the world. And they're ready to think big and deliver big on our ambitious agenda. So I'm grateful, Mr. Mayor, for entrusting me with this critical role, which I consider the job of a lifetime. And I'm ready, I'm excited to hit the ground running and deliver real results for New Yorkers. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you.